got the stick behind the wheel.
Stick.
In Pakistan. How's the experience been of driving in Pakistan?
It's not bad. You gotta be careful, super careful. Just drive. I say I'm doing what 30 really. If I on my normal speeds, it's like 30 miles per hour when I'm doing 60. So just keep it calm, relaxed, and drive really slow. At the beginning, get your hand used to it, and then over time build your speed. But I would say drive slow. There's no point rushing anywhere. Anyway,
Yeah.
how quickly can you get somewhere?
Yeah.
But watch out, because there's a lot of animals, motorbikes popping out from anywhere. You gotta be careful.
Cars overtaking. Oh no way.
Smart. Right, we're gonna do a little drone footage on the Mirpur. Is it Mirpur? What do you call it?
Kalgarh and
Is that cross between Mirpur and
Rathoa Haryam Bridge in ISLAMGARH or Mirpur. The one that's not complete from the middle.
So we're gonna try recording about that.
Yeah.
Might have to walk it there for a bit. Might have to park up because if it gets worse, look at this. Oh, you see a little ditch there. Shit. Not here. Watch on the right hand side. Once you cross this little bridge, watch. Watch, yeah. We see a little dip on the right hand side. There's like a little hole. Imagine if someone doesn't know.
Oh
that.
yeah.
And he's coming with full speed down. Huh? Toba. It's mud. It's mud, isn't it? Imagine it's night time, yeah, and you're coming up this bridge, and you've never seen that before, and you're coming down, balle, even if it's balle, and by the time you get here, you're gone down. You're down. You've gone down. It's true, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Bloody hell. How is this?
Well, massive as well.
I know.
Double hole. Wherever gaddi goes through here, through there as well.
But even more. Imagine more bikes.
More bike will be gone.
There you go.
Will be down there.
MashaAllah. Drone. It's pulled out the bad boy. Huh?
That's why you bought it here for.
Yeah. And we haven't used it properly yet.
I just used it around my village really.
Look how much the dam's dried up. Huh?
Normally all this
It's fully covered. Nothing here. All this is. Oh, that the mosque is back again. That mosque used to be covered. Let me see, get a proper picture.
all them houses, graves, mosques were underwater.
Yeah, all that mosque there. That mosque was gone. Remember the mosque? All that. Look how much water's left. Just that. These are the things that got nicked. These are little slabs for the cricket stadium. Not stadium, you know, that stage where they win when they win the trophy.
Yeah.
So they basically jacked this to make the stage.
I'm surprised this bridge is not dismantled fully.
Can you imagine if we were walking and we just fall through? Oh yeah. At least one thing about the dam that it's cleared up is that there's a lot more greenery about.
Yeah.
So it's better for us in that sense because there's a lot more to see.
Looks nice.
If it's just water.
Look at all that. All them houses.
Damn.
All that you see is, I'm guessing, Kakra town, Mirpur, Share, Bazaar. That's all of that side.
Yeah. Shit, I've actually never seen it like full on like that. Can't see on camera because I can't even zoom in that much. Guys, can you see that? I'm not sure. We've been walking for a while.
About 10 minutes.
Yeah. And this guy's saying that the middle's broken.
Yeah, the middle is not the part that's fixed. That's not fixed.
Oh, is that like bank slap in the middle?
Yeah.
Alright. Flipping heck.
Because they completed started on that side and that side. Then completed like that. Stopped in the middle.
Alright, just watch out for the little don't want you falling down there. And then I get blamed, you know what I mean? That I've killed you. But yeah, it's a long walk. You can't even see the car from here now. That's how far we go.
How long?
Huh? You know what? I've never been up. I think you don't know. I have been up here, but I've not been like this far in. I've been like.
I've been right in the middle. The thing is, we didn't go walking. We went on a motorbike or something.
All right, on the bottom.
Yeah. No.
Here. All right. Yeah, it's be better with the motorbike.
It is long. If it was completed, it would have been the longest bridge in the whole of Kashmir. You know that?
Yeah, but we were talking about it last time, remember Shani saying that it's not beneficial for people.
All them towns you see there, villages.
It's not beneficial for them.
Yeah, businesses.
Makes sense. So
well, why the hell did they make it in the first place?
Don't know. They probably thought a quicker route. But
it
then
makes
again,
sense though.
it does make sense. But I think, like you say, a lot of people go to Mirpur anyway because there's a lot of things in Mirpur.
Yeah.
In Kalgarh, I was saying it in you know, when I was doing the protest vlog.
Yeah.
I was saying that there's a lot of things in Kalgarh, but people go to Mirpur.
Yeah, I know.
They'll think, oh, here the quality is low or cheaper. It was like it's not good quality, poor quality. Whereas Mirpur you get better quality and for a higher price. But the one thing is they bought the same mall. Everyone gets the same shoes, and what you get in Kalgarh is probably a lot cheaper than going to Mirpur. And then you're driving all the way there, spending money on petrol, which is expensive now. So it's best just to come Kalgarh, especially if you're just coming for shopping. If you're going to eat and chill and relax and roam around, then I say go Mirpur, make the day out of it. But if you're just coming to shopping, especially for the women, go Kalgarh, ISLAMGARH, and do your shopping there because you can probably find a lot of things cheaper. Or there are probably a lot more shops in Mirpur which you can go to. But first try out ISLAMGARH, your local, and then go to Mirpur. That's what I'd say personally. We both forgot to bring drinks. We're thirsty now.
I didn't think it would be this long.
Yeah, my mouth's gone dry, especially when you're talking in front of the camera. It gets dry. And then I was thinking we should have, the petrol station, should have just stopped there, grabbed a couple of drinks and then come down. That is what it is, isn't it? Minor.
Please say that's the middle.
I think it is. That looks like the middle.
Can you see a hole?
Yeah, I know.
I could see it from all the way down there.
I couldn't really see it, but research just now, I'd say I was concentrating on seeing it. That does look like the middle. If that's the middle, then flipping neck is long. Huh? Walking for at least
15-20 minutes.
Yeah, 10-15 minutes I'd say.
Lucky it's nice and cool.
Weather's been alright last few days. It's been hot, but now this is the season. I think for people who are coming during this period now, I'll be alright. This is Savan, innit? Monsoon. The one thing is, with them vlogs at the beginning, we were both ill. He was ill first.
I was fully gone.
He was gone. And then I think after the Lakeview and Dominic, I started to pick up a bit of,
The fever.
The fever. And then I lost my voice for about a week. And then that's why we didn't really record anything. I can't even see it.
You can hear it though.
There it is. Someone's flying a drone.
Is it yours?
No, it's not ours. There it is. You see that little dot? He can see us, definitely. He can definitely see us.
Please stop the house.
Yeah.
Who is that? Let me find him on the recording as well.
Yeah. Do double take. He recorded us. We record him. Is he following us? No, he's not.
He's gone back.
He's gone back.
Thank God we were meant to. We were gonna record from down there first.
Yeah.
I think for safety reasons.
What's your YouTube channel?
No, he's probably doing it for a shadi film or something.
Alright. What this pull?
Probably putting on TikTok or something.
What, TikTok?
Yeah. You never know.
I didn't really drive at the beginning. I drive here and there, but just past few days I've been driving by myself, so we could do this today. Because he's got a few days left. Not a few days, but
be departing back to the UK.
Yep, he's
for some unforeseen circumstances.
So he's gonna go back early, so we have to get as many videos as we can out for you guys. And don't worry, I'm still gonna be here for another 3 weeks. 3-4 weeks.
3-4 weeks after.
And I'm gonna try recording as much as I can.
We were meant to go back together, but
yeah, it is what it is. It's written that way, and hopefully you guys enjoyed our vlogs. Everyone loves watching while looking at Kalgarh, Mirpur vlogs. They love the hometown.
We've seen, the support you guys have been showing us on the videos we've been doing in Kashmir compared to things like Islamabad and stuff. We have been showing great support for the Islamabad vlog, so we appreciate it. But the support we get for Kashmir is
unbelievable. So thank you guys for your support. Keep supporting us. Try getting us to 3k subscribers, inshallah. Mama's made it.
3.5 hours later, we have finally landed.
And my arm's aching holding this camera, carrying it all the way there. Joking. Holding you up. Look at that, we're here. Look at the surrounding areas, bro. Look at the surrounding areas. Mad. I'll do it slowly. I always rush so you guys can see properly. There you go. Okay, man. Pull out the drone, mate. Pull out the drone.
First look There's a school going to the bottom of this cross. Let's see that first, didn't we?
Alright.
Let's show these people. This is not complete, so people don't want to go through all them villages, so they go to the bottom of this since there's no water, and they cross.
The cross. But now look, there is water there.
Yeah, but then they jump on a boat.
Do they? Oh, there are boats there.
Yeah, they jump on a boat.
Can you see that, guys?
There's boats there.
Just there. Oh, I'll go further down. You'll see it further down. That's it. It's all open. Oh, yeah, that's higher than a.
Oh shit, yeah.
That's higher than I thought it would be. Flipping heck. I'm scared of heights.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's the boats, guys. There's the boats. Oh, there's a look. The rasta's been closed. Can you see that, guys? That is section right there. That's the crossing bit. It's been closed. There. Mud. Look at all that. That's sick, that. Right, get the drone out, mate. Get the drone out.
Let me record a video, man.
Alright. Record one. Our first test. Our first drone footage on the YouTube channel Mirpuri Monday.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. चल कम कर
ठहरना यार सेटअप कर
ना मैं इसकी हाँ तू ही ना हाँ
Oh,
मैं इसकी बोलने लगी I'm telling you this guy.
सोनी साडी वादी यारो सोनी साडी वादी यारो जन्नत नज़ीर असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर सोनी साडी वादी यारो जन्नत नज़ीर असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर मीरपुर चक सवारी टुटियाल लानी ते लाल पक्की यारी साडे नाल मीरपुर चक सवारी टुटियाल लानी ते लाल पक्की यारी साडे नाल यारां दे यार असी यारां दे यार असी वीरां दे असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर सादा नजारा सोना है देश कश्मीर साडा सारा सोना है झील पंजो सादा नजारा सोना है देश कश्मीर साडा सारा सोना है लिपाता पानी है लिपाता पानी दिर कोट तोली पी असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर मक्खण मकई लस्सी सरे आंदा साग पीर चनासी गंगा चोटी सोना बाग मक्खण मकई लस्सी सरेआं दा साग पीर चनासी गंगा चोटी सोना बाग रब सोने हुसैन दी कीती ए अखीर असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर असां कश्मीरी साडा देश कश्मीर बसदे ने जिथे नेक दिल इंसान